Cobrapost has levelled allegations against housing finance company DHFL. The stock tumbled over 8%. Cobrapost accuses the company's promoters of siphoning off funds to the tune of 31,000 crore rupees via shell companies. DHFL has refuted the charges, calling the expose a mischievous misadventure with malified intent to cause damage to the company. Rituparna Bhuyan is here now with more details. Ritu, take us through the charges that are being levelled by Cobrapost and also DHFL's response.
The investigations, according to Cobrapost, were done over a period of couple of months, and after that, according to Cobrapost, they have arrived at a figure of around 31,000 crore, which allegedly was siphoned off by promoters of DHFL. And that modus operandi was basically DHFL is giving loans of worth around 7,390 crores to companies engaged in slum development, but Cobrapost maintains that these companies were not engaged in slum development and were actually a maze of shell companies. That is one. Secondly, around 14,000 crore worth of loans were given to a web of around 45 companies. Again, according to Cobrapost, they allege that these 45 companies, out of that around 34, have connections with the promoters of DHFL. Then, of course, other allegations also, which include, giving loans to shell companies in Gujarat and Karnataka worth around 2,480 crores before the elections, basically trying to, say that they see a connection between the elections and the loans that were given in these states to these shell companies. Now, DHFL has replied to these allegations which have been made by Cobrapost, and DHFL maintains that, and I quote, "The mischievous misadventure of Cobrapost appears to have been with a malified intent to cause damage to the goodwill and reputation of DHFL and resulting in erosion of shareholder value." The company goes on to say that DHFL is a responsible and law-abiding corporate citizen, and all loans are disbursed in normal course of business in accordance with industry best practices and in compliance with all regulatory norms. Last but not the least, the company maintains, and I quote again, "DHFL and its group companies are confident of meeting any scrutiny on any aspect of our operations and will pursue these frivolous allegations to its logical conclusion."
All right, Ritu, appreciate you joining us. That is the latest response there from DHFL to the Cobrapost allegations.